Weathertight Roofing and Building Limited provide a range of professional roofing solutions for homeowners and businesses in Surrey, Hampshire and Berkshire. We are a family-run business with many years' experience and have the knowledge and expertise to undertake all roofing work. From general roofing repairs, new installations and flat roof systems, to chimney repointing, fascias, soffits and guttering, we guarantee a competitively priced and reliable service at all times. We are proud to be members of the Federation of Master Builders, which means that as a homeowner, you're assured of a better result, knowing you're working with the best builders. Additionally, we are Trusted Trader approved. We hold full public liability insurance and all new installations come with a guarantee, and we offer extended warranties for your peace of mind. If you'd like to receive a free, no obligation quotation for all your roofing needs, call Weathertight Roofing and Building Limited today.